remind you of the rules. Look at that. A raised to, can you see what I'm writing?
Yes.
Is this not obstructing? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now look at that. A raised to power x times a raised to power y is what? A raised to power x plus y.
Is equal to a
Raised to power x plus y.
Yes.
Because if I say 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 3, it means 2 times 2, exactly, times what?
Times.
So if I say, look at that, if I say 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 3, that simply means what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that will now be what? 2 times 2 times 2 times, that's 2 raised to power 5. Exactly. So you see that it's the same as adding these powers. If I also say 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 2, that means 2 raised to power 5 over 2 raised to power 2. Exactly. Which is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over what? 2 times 2. 2 cancels 2, 2 cancels 2. So you're left with 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 2 raised to power 3. You understand? So it's the same as subtracting the power of the denominator from the power of the numerator. You understand? So that's what the rules say. Exactly, that's what the rule says. A raised to power x divided by a raised to power y will also be equal to what? A raised to power x minus y. Exactly. A raised to power x raised to power y is a raised to power x times y. X what? A raised to power minus x means 1 over a raised to power x. You can also say 1 over a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power minus x. A raised to power x over y is you put a root sign here and put the denominator of the power here. Y root of a all raised to power x. Or you can write it this way. Y root of a and put the power x there under the root. Do you understand? What else? A raised to power 0 is 1. Exactly. But a must not be equal to 0. Do you understand? Are you sure? Good. So we already took some questions on that already. Now let's go to exponential. Look at that. If I say 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power minus 3. You know this means 2 raised to power 2 over 2 raised to power minus 3. You know that? And you're supposed to subtract the power of the denominator from the power of the numerator. Do you know? And that's what it means. So that means 2 raised to power 2 minus 3. Do you know that? Because the denominator already has a negative power. That will be 2 raised to power 2 plus 3, which is 2 raised to power 5. Do you understand? Good. So let's go to exponential equations. Equations involving indices. And you can apply the rules. Let's go. Or did I give you an exercise? I'm sorry. Give me an exercise that I've not marked.
No, that's how it should be.
Oh, we take. Okay, no. Let's go to this exponential equations. Exponential equations, right? If I write this, don't write it yet. If I write a raised to power, if a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power y, this one is called a base. Why this one is called a power? You know that. If the bases are the same, you can equate the powers. Exactly. You can equate the powers. That means x equals y. Exactly. And if the powers are the same, so if I write a raised to power x equals b raised to power x, you can equate the bases. Exactly. If the powers are the same, then that means the bases are also equivalent. You understand? So a equals b. Exactly. We'll be applying that a lot, and the questions will be solving. Exactly. Now, let's go. Let's take examples. Examples. Solve each of the following equations. Solve each of the following equations. Solve each of the following equations. 1 over 2 raised by x equals 8. Roman figure 2. 10 raised to the power minus x equals 10 raised to the power minus x equals 0. And Roman figure 3. 3 times 3 raised to the power x equals 27. Are you there? Are you there? So let's go to the solution. Look at that. How do you solve that? Roman figure 1. What's the first one? Stop writing. Stop writing.
1 over 2 brackets 1 over 2 close bracket x.
Good. 1 over 2 raised to the power x equals 8. Can you see that? If you pay attention, you'll be able to do it yourself. But if you are writing, you'll be able to do it yourself because you won't get it. Now you know that a raised to the power minus x is the same as 1 over a raised to the power x. That means 1 over 2 is also the same as what? 2 raised to the power minus 1. You know that 2 raised to the power minus 1 means 1 over 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, 1 over 2. Do you understand? So I can write this 1 over 2 as 2 raised to the power minus 1 and everything raised to the power x equals 8. I can also write as a power of 2. Do you know? So what does that mean? 2 raised to the power minus x is the same as what? Don't forget the rule that says a raised to the power x raised to the power y equals a raised to the power xy. Do you understand? So that means 2 raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power x will be 2 raised to the power minus 1 times x, which is 2 raised to the power minus x equals 2 raised to the power 3. Are you there? And what does that mean? The bases are the same. That means the powers are equal. Do you understand? So that therefore means minus x is equal to what? 3. We are not looking up. If minus x is 3. Yes, we are doing Roman figure 1. So if minus x equals 3, what does that mean? You multiply both sides by minus 1. That means x is equal to what? Minus 3. No, minus 3. Right. Can write that. Write that quickly. Right. 10 raised to the power. No. 10 raised to the power minus x is equal to what? 0 point. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Is that correct?
Yes.
Do come. Now write what is 0.0000001 in standard form. In standard form.
In standard form.
Yes, write it in standard form.
1.0
Mhm.
times
Times
6.
10 raised to the power.
6.
When you move the decimal forward, it's
Okay,
power of
9
2.
plus 6.
When you move the decimal
Minus
forward,
six.
it's minus. And when you move
Minus
backward, it's
six.
positive.
So,
The power of 10 is negative when you move the decimal forward. The power of 10 is positive when you move the decimal backward. When you're writing in standard form. So, and you know that 1.0 means 1. 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 is the same as 10 raised to the power minus 6. Do you understand? So 10 raised to the power minus x, don't write it, equals, this is 10 raised to the power minus 6. Do you understand?
yes.
Sit up. And what does that mean? The bases are the same. 10. What does that mean? That means the powers are the same. If the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. That means minus x equals what? Minus 6. Are you sure? Do you understand?
I don't understand what x is.
No. I said this one is the same as 10 to the power minus 6, right?
Yes.
10 raised to the power minus x equals 10 raised to the power minus 6.
Minus 7.
10 raised to the power minus x is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6. That's the next thing to write.
Yes.
The bases are the same. 10 is the base, minus x is the power. 10 is the base here, minus 6 is the power. You can see that on the left hand side, the base is the same as the base on the right hand side. So if the bases are the same, you can equate the powers. We wrote down when I said a raised to the power x. If a raised to the power x equals a raised to the power y, look up. That means x is equal to y. Do you understand? Look at that. The bases are the same. That means minus x will be minus 6. And when you multiply both sides by minus 1, x equals 6. Do you understand? Right. Don't underline what I underlined. It was just a highlight. Right. So I don't need to write this. You know this thing now. Roman figure 3. What's Roman figure 3? Leave a line. I don't know why you keep forgetting that. Just cancel it immediately. 3. What's about figure 3? What's the question? Yes. 3. You didn't you write the question? 3 into bracket 3 raised to power x equals 20. Look at that. The first thing to do is to divide through by 3. Can you see that? Look at that. 3 cancels 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 9. So that means 3 raised to power x equals 9. What is 9 as a power of 3?
9 as a power of 3.
Yes. 3 raised to power what is 9?
3 raised to power 2.
No, 3 raised to power 2.
2. Okay, yes.
Okay. In the exam, nobody will tell you that that's wrong. Now let's go. What does that mean? I can stop writing. Don't write it. If 3 raised by x plus 3 raised by 2, what does that mean? X equals what?
X equals.
See, it says on the board.
X equals 2 raised to power 2.
3 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power 2. What does that mean?
2 raised to power is equals to minus z is equals to.
What are you saying? I said if a raised to power x is a raised to power y. Look up. That means x is equal to y. The bases are the same. The powers will be what? The powers will be equal. So that means x equals what?
X equals 2.
2. Do you understand?
Yes.
3 raised to power x
X
equals 3 raised to power 2. The bases are the same, 3, 3. So that means you can, the powers are equal to, exactly, look on. So x equals what? 2. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because
Additional example. Solve each of the following.
in the house is still beside space. Come every day.
Every day. Equations, yeah.
Because of our house is not far to this place.
Yeah. Solve each of the following equations. A is 0.125 raised to power, let's see. Yep. 0.125 is by 16. Not 125, 0.25 raised to power. Don't say 0.25, 0.25 raised to power x plus 1 equals 16. And question B. 3 raised to power x equals 1 over 81. Are you there?
Mm.
So right. Right, and let's go to the solution. Right, let's go to the solution. How do we solve that? Now, what's the first one? A. Question, read it to me. 0.25 raised by x plus 1 equals 16. You know that 0.25 is the same as 25 over 100. It's actually 1 over 4, do you know? Because 16. 25 here 1, 25 here 4. That means what? 1 over 4 raised to power not. Is that just 1 over 4 like this? Yeah? So what is 1 over 4 as a power of 4? It's the same as 4 raised to power minus 1. Because 4 raised to power minus 1 is 1 over 4 raised to power 1, which is what? 1 over 4. You understand? So you can write 1 over 4 as 4 raised to power minus 1. Write that quickly, write that. Make sure you're writing well. Now, 1 over 4 is the same as 4 raised to power minus 1. See, no, don't write, stop writing. 1 over 4 equals 4 raised to power minus 1. Raised to power what? X plus 1 equals, what is 16 as the power of 4?
4 is power 2.
4 raised to power 2, beautiful. Exactly. So what do you now do? The bases are the same. Exactly. You know you're supposed to say minus 1 times x plus 1.
X plus 1 is equals to 2.
That's hold on. That's hold on. That's what this simply means. 4 raised to power minus 1 into bracket. Look up. Tell me if you're tired. 4 raised, are you tired? Okay, we'll stop after that. We'll stop after the second example. This means 4 raised to power minus 1 into bracket x plus 1. You know, you're supposed to multiply the powers. X plus 1 is a power. Minus 1 is also a power. You multiply them because 4 raised to power 2. Do you understand? So, the bases are the same. What do you do to the powers? You equate the powers. Do you understand? So that means the whole of minus 1 is bracket x plus 1 is equal to 2. Do you understand? Are you sure? So minus 1 into bracket x plus 1. Don't write. Equals 2. And that means what? Open the bracket minus x minus 1 equals 2. minus x equals 2 plus 1. When minus 1 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 1. Minus x equals 3. You multiply both sides by, multiply 3 by minus 1. X is therefore equal to what? Minus 3. Right, try that quickly. Plus minus 3. What's the second one? Let's go to B. What's B? What's question B? 3 raised to power x equals 1 over 18. Good at that. You can write this as 3 raised to power x equals 1. What's 81 as the power of 3? 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4. Stop writing. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 2, 27. 27 times 3, 81. So that's 3 raised to power 4. Now, no, because this one is already a power of 3. Exactly, that's why I wanted that. That was why I wanted that to also be power of 3. So 3, look up, 3 raised to power 4x, it will now be equal to what? If I don't want to write it as a fraction, it will become 3 raised to power minus 4. Do you understand? Because 3 raised to power minus 4 is same as 1 over 3 raised to power 4. We are not looking up. Do you understand? So that means 1 over 3 raised to power 4 is same as 3 power. Sorry? Oh, sorry. Now what does that mean? That therefore means what? X equals what?
X equals minus 4.
Beautiful, minus 4. And that's it. Evaluate. Evaluate. Number 1. Evaluate. A. 19 response. 32 raised to power 1 over 5. Raised to power 3 over 5. 32. You cannot see, don't worry, just copy it from here.
I don't see it.
Yes, you may not be able to read. That's 32 raised to power 3 over 5. 243 raised to power 2 over 3. And number 2, solve.
242 will be 343.
Because 343.
It's about
343 is about 2 over 3. Yes. Solve each of the following equations. Are you there?
yes.
A. Two raised to power x equals 0.125. B. 3 raised to power minus x equals 243. C. 4 over 2 raised to power